So this is another formula problem based on the efficiency. So the given data is rating of the transformer. So rating is equal to 200 kVA. 200 kVA he gave, and 98% operating at full load, nothing but full load efficiency. So efficiency at full load is equal to 98%. And at this condition, power factor how much? Power factor is equal to 0.8. Lag or lead, we don't, doesn't matter. Lagging. He gave iron losses. Iron losses are 200 watts. So WI iron losses is equal to 2000 watts. And calculate full load copper losses and full load full load copper losses. So find copper losses at full load and copper. This is first one, and second one is copper losses at off full load. Off full load copper losses. This is what we need to find. So just now I discussed a formula. So if you know efficiency, kVA, and power factor, and one losses, you can find another losses by using this data. So the total losses is equal to total losses formula is equal to 1 by efficiency. This is not a separate formula. This is derived formula. So 1 by efficiency minus 1 into kVA into power factor. So total losses nothing but iron losses and copper losses. So that is full load copper losses. So 1 by efficiency is nothing but 0.98. So here we should not take 98 percentage. So we should convert into normal value. Minus 1 into kVA is nothing but 200. So 200 into 10 cube we need to take. Otherwise, the losses will be in terms of kVA. If you don't take 10 cube, the total losses will be in terms of kilowatts into 0.8 power factor. So after solving this one, so we got this. This is 3265.63 watts. Total losses is equal to. If you want to find, we need to find full load copper losses. Full load copper losses. This is WCU. Full load copper losses is equal to. Why it is full load copper losses? Because this efficiency is at full load. Efficiency is at full load. That's why these losses are also called. These copper losses are also called full load copper losses. If efficiency is 1/3 efficiency, then that will be different. That will be different. I will explain that formula also. So now. So we need to subtract, this is 2000 watts from this 3265.6. We get 2000. That will be equal to 1265.3 watts. So these are the total copper losses. Total copper losses. This is this much. And now we need to find off full load copper losses. Off full load copper losses, relationship between off full load copper losses to full load copper losses is equal to, this is the relationship. So this is the off full load copper losses we need to find. This is the formula which I discussed earlier. So off load copper losses is equal to x square times of WC, nothing but full load copper losses. X is nothing but off square nothing but 4 into full load copper losses 1265.3 watts. After solving this one, you will get a answer, that is a off full load copper losses. So this is all about the off full load copper losses and full load copper losses. For example, in the question he gave this efficiency is at 1 by second full load. 1 by second full load, nothing but off full load. If he gave this is off, same problem, let us solve for that off full load. You will get clarification. If the same question asked for this is efficiency at, if we give this efficiency at 1/4 full load, 1/4 full load, then This formula will be okay. This formula is changed to simply iron losses. Total losses nothing but iron losses plus this is 1/4 full load. Efficiency is 1/4, so that the copper losses become 1/4 whole square into copper losses, because in the efficiency formulas also we need to write like this, which is equal to 1 by efficiency minus 1 into here kVA into power factor plus x also you will get. X is nothing but 1/4. X is nothing but 1/4. Okay, now this is the different deviation of full load efficiency to full load efficiency. Okay, now this is total losses. Total losses nothing but iron losses plus he gave efficiency. This efficiency at 1/4, 1/4. Sorry, 1/4 full load, so that this copper losses also become 1/4 square into copper losses. So here another one is 1/4 also multiplied here. This derivation also from this one, x into kVA into power factor by x into kVA into power factor plus iron losses plus x square times of copper losses. So this is efficiency. So of if you convert this one into total losses, losses are nothing but iron losses plus copper losses. Copper losses is nothing but x square times of WCU is equal to 1 by efficiency minus 1 into, after solving this one, you will get x into kVA into power factor. This is the different one. This is a logical one. You need to think differently. Okay, you should not use this formula for all the problems. So this is only for full load only. Full load only. This because this formula is derived from full load copper losses, full load efficiency. So this is nothing but x of full load efficiency. Formula is this one. From this one, x of full load total losses will be like this. X of full load total copper losses will be like this. In this way